This is my 6-month update on a GLP-1. And spoiler alert, nothing to call home about. My name is Kwanda, and welcome back to TG Customs. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'll be discussing my 6-month update. And let's just say there's nothing to really talk about. There's nothing to really talk about. In my last update, I was down 44 pounds within 5 months. For this update, I'm down another 3 pounds. That's a total of 48 pounds in 6 months. And in all honesty, that is not the news I wanted to share today. This past month has been one for the books. I think I got super comfortable with my progress, and it has bitten me in the booty, and I'm now paying for it. I know a lot of people think that GLP-1s are a quick fix and the drug is going to make you lose the weight, but that is not the case. I've said it plenty of times before. I think I've said it in every single video before this one. GLP-1s are a tool. It's not a magic potion. And I think me saying it out loud, you would think that I can actually believe that. I think I believe that. I want to believe that. My actions are not showing that I believe that. So for this next month, I have to get my life together. I have to make myself believe what I am saying for real. I hate to admit that on the internet, but I think I was believing that it was a magic potion, and it is honestly not a magic potion. I still root for GLP-1s because it definitely started me on a good path. It gave me motivation in the beginning. At this point in time, I'm still motivated. Don't get me wrong, I'm still motivated because I'm spending my hard-earned money on it. So I need to get my life together and make it work for me, not against me. So I don't have much to say. I do want to make a public announcement of what's going to happen moving forward, though. And you guys will be my accountability partners in this. So basically, I do have to get my eating habits back right. So I got to do more meal prepping. I don't meal prep as much as I should. So I'm going to definitely do more meal prepping. I don't do sugars. I don't snack. I don't do all that stuff. So I can't say I'm going to cut back on that. But I do need to be more conscious of what I'm eating, for one. Like I said, GLP-1 definitely suppresses your appetite like horribly. And at this point, I'm not going up in dosage because my appetite is still being suppressed. The problem is that I'm not eating correctly, and I recognize that. I have to eat better. I have to eat more. Believe it or not, you have to eat food. It's so hard to chew, and I'm definitely over the protein shakes. I only do them for breakfast. Like I do my protein coffee for breakfast. And that's not gonna stop because I love coffee, and this is the only way that I can drink my protein, or drink my coffee I should say. I'm going to go that option and use it as a protein coffee. I need to get my eating schedule together. So breakfast is very hard for me. I never like breakfast, not in the morning at least. Like I can eat breakfast at night, but eating it in the morning, as far as actual breakfast food, it was never for me. So I need to figure out a structure how to eat in the mornings, like my protein coffee, my breakfast meal for the morning. I need to incorporate more snacks that are high protein. Like I do have my yogurts, but for some reason the yogurt is still good. It's my fridge. I think my temperature in my fridge keeps freezing my yogurts, and I'm playing with the temperature because I don't like, once it's frozen, it don't taste good. So then I end up throwing it away instead of eating it, and I don't go for another option. I do have my meals that I eat. So basically, I'm eating like once a day, twice a day, and that's not good. So for month 7, we have to work on that. We have to get meal prepping together and make sure I have my meals regularly and not just, at leisure or when I'm really, 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 like when the hunger actually starts. That's not good. And then I have to get my exercising back. I used to do at least 30 minutes a Grow with Dro workout or walking on the treadmill for 15 to 20 minutes. But I haven't been done doing that as well. So it's me. I know the problem. Again, I shouldn't even be on the internet telling y'all my business like that, embarrassing myself. But I need to be held accountable, and this is the only way that I think I can be held accountable. So those are the 2 things we're going to be working on for this next month. 1, like I said, eating better, eating correctly, eating more often, eating the right foods. And then 2, working out at least 30 minutes, whether it's a 30-minute walk, 30-minute Grow with Joe workout video, 30-minute bike ride, I don't know, something. But we got to get those 30 minutes in. Hopefully for month 7, I will have a better update for you and me, because my goal was actually month 8. And month 8 is approaching us very, very quickly. And I had a goal to get to my goal. I actually need to lose, I can't even count, not that much, believe it or not. Now that I think about it, I only need to lose like 10 more pounds to get to my actual goal that I had for June. But I should have already been at that goal from like January, or actually no, from like February. I should have already been at that goal. If not, March should have been the latest hard stop for my goal. So I'm not doing too bad. It's just that the progress, I don't like how it's slowing down. And yeah, we got somewhere to be in June. Keep in mind, I do have a vacation coming up in May. So I don't know how I'm going to do my food. But that's just a week, That week, just eat what you can. And then when you come back, get back to regularly scheduled programming. I don't know what the word is. Yeah, but that is it for today's update. Thank you so much for watching. You've made it this far. And if you watch this video because you're yourself interested in starting a GLP-1, I do get mine through Mochi Health, which is a online teledoc situation. I don't know what it's called. But if you do want to start your journey and you just want us to use a little discount to start that, you can get $40 off your first order. And I will also give $40 off my next order. You just have to use my discount code in the description box and the pinned comment below, so you can start your journey to losing weight. I really hope month 7 is going to be better for us. Much better. All right, guys. Until next time.